Rich Dad, Poor Dad author promotes Bitcoin. Next on your 4-Minute Bitcoin. Today's show is from a post by Nick Shong at Bitcoinist and brought to you by the BitBlockBoom Bitcoin Conference that's coming to Dallas, Texas. Many investors are still hesitant to get involved with Bitcoin. They make comments like, Bitcoin's hard to own, Bitcoin is for criminals, and other statements along those lines. Yet a prominent financial educator and entrepreneur says that owning Bitcoin is a wise decision. According to Robert Kiyosaki, the Federal Reserve is dead. He cited the increase in so-called zombie companies and their respective debts. Kiyosaki writes that the debt zombies have will pass $1.6 trillion next year, putting the Federal Reserve at risk. To combat this trend, alongside a potential debt crisis and money printing, Kiyosaki has effectively prescribed Bitcoin, silver, and gold to his over 1 million followers. The Rich Dad, Poor Dad author says that those assets are real money, while the fiat money being printed by the Federal Reserve is fake money. Kiyosaki isn't only bullish on Bitcoin in spirit, he has also posted a price target for Bitcoin. In May, he wrote that Bitcoin could hit $75,000 in the next 3 years. Kiyosaki's comments on the economy and its relation to gold and Bitcoin come as gold has rallied, and analysts expect this trend to continue. Bitcoin has a chance to follow gold higher, especially in this macro environment. That's according to some prominent analysts. For example, Paul Tudor Jones said in a research note titled The Great Monetary Inflation that Bitcoin is the fastest horse in the race. Now, he made that in reference to the asset's 21 million coin supply cap, while other asset classes, well, they don't have that benefit. Jones is a billionaire hedge fund manager, largely regarded to be one of the world's best macro analysts. Also touting the sentiment is Bloomberg's Mike McClone, a senior commodity strategist. He wrote in a recent report that with Bitcoin trading increasing like gold, that gold rallying could boost the Bitcoin price, and said that increasing companionship with gold is a Bitcoin price tailwind. Now, this all sounds very bullish for Bitcoin, at least ways to me it does. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, as always. This episode was brought to you by BitBlockBoom. This is a great Bitcoin conference that's coming to Dallas, Texas in August. And I say a Bitcoin conference because Bitcoin is all we talk about at BitBlockBoom. We don't talk about altcoins. We don't talk about crypto, just Bitcoin. So if you're interested in Bitcoin, take a look at bitblockboom.com. I hope I get to meet you in person at BitBlockBoom in Dallas. I'm Gary Leland, the Bitcoin Boomer, and thanks for joining me on another 4-Minute Bitcoin Show. This is a BitBlockBoom.com production.